Welcome to Home Sew, your home solution. Want to hang towels, loofahs, and bathroom accessories without drilling holes in your walls? Our stylish suction cup hooks are the perfect solution. They can easily be installed on any surface. Once installed, you can't even tell they're suction cups, and yet you can easily remove them and place them in a new location. For installation on smooth, non-porous surfaces like glass, mirrors, and porcelain tiles, follow these simple steps. First, clean and dry the mounting surface and rubber base. Position the rubber base and push to release air. Insert the cap onto the rubber base. Maintain pressure. Twist the hook clockwise until snug, but avoid over-tightening to prevent the hook from breaking. If you feel you've reached the limit, turn it counterclockwise until the hook is pointing up. For installation on uneven or porous surfaces, like painted walls, wallpaper, wood, or marble tiles, you'll need to use the included adhesive disc first. Remove the protective film and press the adhesive disc firmly onto your surface. Then use the suction cup system to install the hooks over the adhesive disc. Elevate your home with Home Sew.